People in any country in the Caribbean think that we are very special. Nobody else talks the way we do in our country. People from other parts of the Caribbean speak with an accent. They sound different until we listen. And then we hear words, phrases, expressions, grammatical structures that we know. Where could they possibly have heard them from? Did they spend time in our country? Jamaicans, Guyanese, Belizeans, and Vincentians all use the same word pikni to mean child and nyam to mean eat. Is it something in the air or is it something in the sea? What makes us so similar? People from French Guiana, St. Lucia, and Guadeloupe use the same form ka before a verb when they wish to say that the action is ongoing, like in ikavini, he is coming. French has no such structure, so where did it come from? Our languages are new. They are created by the transportation of slave labor from Africa to work on the plantations set up by Europeans in the Americas. So, we are more similar than we are different. And well, that's the fun of doing what I do for a living, studying Caribbean Creole languages. There are close to 40 different Creole languages spoken in the Caribbean. Some take their words for the most part from English, languages like Jamaican, Guyanese, Antiguan, and so on. No other region of the world can compare with the Caribbean for the number and the variety of Creole languages spoken. So, let's see the people and hear them talk. Listen well, even when you don't understand what is being said, for that sound, that essence that says that these are all Caribbean languages.
Yeah. Mr. Oku, can you tell me your full name? Your full name. Say it for me.
My full name? My full name is Nakali name. I tell you the name what me I work with. All about where me got to go do like any paperwork and so many Gaurapati Gokul. Gaurapati Gokul. My old man is a Gokul. Daddy take me
Gokul. Okay. Gokul. Alright, so but around here, how are you called?
They call me La Quanti. Yes, just so they call me, you know, since me day in the place. But daddy right name when me give.
Then they break it down and they shorten it to Loco.
Yes.
Alright, the nickname.
Yes. That's and the old man then they call he Hurry By. The old man then I call him right me, I call him Hurry By.
Okay.
He been a hurry to do Hurry By. He lived to be girl, Hurry By.
Yes.
You see the pikni them used to the old man and the old man used to the pikni them.
That says a lot about the kind of person he was. Can I touch your arm? I noticed they have a pretty thing here.
Yes. You see when I be married, I be mother-in-law belongs to India. So they say you got to take this to thing on your hand.
So everybody
no,
has that?
nobody.
Okay.
Who mother-in-law, father-in-law one, then second, second.
Oh, and your mother-in-law and
yes,
your father-in-law, they wanted that.
Yes,
and you've had it since then?
No, since I'm married.
Pretty.
Yes.
You see?
This not yet out.
It's really pretty. So what does it mean? Do you know? What does mean? Does it symbolize
this
something?
Say, like, you see them people dies. You know how India people stand and say, like when High Nation people come. Then it is good when you get this, so you hand them one cup tea and cup water. That the High Nation people. Like say the Pandit and the Brahman people, them, you know, that's why they so this is good for your take.
For your house, okay.
Other languages take their vocabularies from French. Languages like Haitian, Dominican French Creole, or the French Creole traditionally spoken in Trinidad.
I'm here now and I want to tell you good afternoon in Patois. What would I say?
Bon après-midi.
Bon après-midi?
Bon après-midi.
Okay, fine, good. And I'm saying, how are you? I'd say what? If I want to ask you, how are you?
Kumawiye.
Kumawiye. Yes, I'm asking now. Kumawiye.
Malati buen.
Okay. Malati buen.
Malati buen.
Malati buen. That means you're
a little.
Okay, so you're not too bad. Okay, fine.
Me name now Joseph Smith that coming from my father. You ready?
Yeah.
Me belly you tap me woman go me left again. Me belly you tap me woman go me left again. Me belly you tap me woman go me left you. As a girl on that wall 10,000 there. Now I go fight them they take a one. Now I go give myself off is take a one. And I go swap me life off is take a one. As a girl on that wall 10,000 there.
Slow down, what the sound say?
You are aliens alone. Mama say me now go fight and they take a one. I go swap the ladies take a one because hands on the other wall 10,000 there. So when one guy you have to fit one at the one, you have to worry yourself because enough money where you can get the next one.
Okay.
You know, with yourself no problem.
Ah.
Fit yourself, hurt yourself. Because you can get the next one because enough left. You say 10,000 there. So you get one out of the amount you left when one gone. Yeah,
one of the big things for us as Caribbean linguists is to find out what is the essence that I'm sure you could sense. What makes these languages oh so similar, and where did that essence come from? From Africa? From Europe? From the indigenous languages? From our innate ability to make up new languages? From all of the above? Well, one thing is clear. We whom God had put asunder, language has put together.